Hey, she's not my girlfriend, Cyclone.
Yeah.
We're just
whatever
friends.
you say, dude.
My name is Spider Booster.
What
Here comes Iron Man. Wait, what's Iron Man? What is that?
What are you?
Jeff! Jeff! Oh, watch out! What you got, bro? What you got, Jeff? You stay away. Back, Jeff. No one can take that with it. It's Spider Booster. Jeff, stay back.
Whatever you do, you need to run. Oh,
Oh, snap! Run! I'm running from TNT up, and it's gone.
You think we took him out?
Welcome to another day of Daycare! Woo! Yo, what's going on, everybody? Yo. Oh, what's that? Ah, stop! Leave it! Bang! That's it. I'm done with you. Nope, I am done with you. No, I am.
Huh? What? Where am I?
What was the point of that? No,
Moose?
tell me.
Moose,
What was
up,
the point of that?
Moose, when did you get so tall? Moose, hello?
That's a tree.
Why is there a tree next to... Moose, you're taller than a tree, dude!
I'm right here. What are you doing?
Oh, that's you! Okay, sorry.
Cyclone, are you
I'm
good,
really
buddy?
tired, dude.
Yo, drink some moose milk, man. Come on.
thank
What was
you.
last time you slept?
Like
Big boy, we need
300
35 push-ups, and you'll be quarter of the way there. Oh, here goes Jeff, bro. I think Jeff's
no,
finally back to normal, man. Last time, he was like Venom, Jeff the Venom or something. And what's going on here? Oh, Brick Boss doing push-ups as usual. Brick Boss, you go, buddy. Don't worry, man. You're the best, dude. You got this, man. Progress. Talent.
Two.
Oh, hi, Bustina. How you doing? Hi. He said moose milk. Sorry.
This is the only exercise I need.
Ow. Ew. What?
Sorry, I'm exercising.
That was amazing. Listen, bros, we ain't got time to mess about. You mean mess around? Okay, anyways, Jeff, what is going on, buddy? Why does the stage look so lame? I am a French, like Cyclops. Wait, does that mean you like baguettes? Is that like a thing? Like you like baguettes?
Fun fact.
Baguettes! Oh, excuse, I walk away. Excuse. I'm sorry.
Sometimes they really hurt my feelings.
Cyclone, give me a hug, buddy. Come over here, buddy. Excuse. Got him! Roasted. Oh, and there goes Cyclone. Okay, bye. Okay, ladies, it's time. It's time for what? It's time for what? Oh, excuse me, Cyclone. For the most lit game ever. Choose the heroine. Bob. Truth or dare. French
How do you
Baguette
play?
edition.
Tell me. I've never heard of the game, ever. Totally.
Hey, Cyclone, excuse.
you
Get off of the stage. Excuse.
Ow.
Okay, so we're doing shoot the dare. Cyclops, you were disqualified automatically. Haha, get roasted. Hi, Busina. Hi.
Moose, look at the stage.
I didn't try anything. What? What? Where are you at, buddy? What are you doing?
Look at the stage. Look at. Hey. Okay, I'll go first.
Bait.
Big for now.
Oh, I got you here. Let Cyclops get on the stage. Let's Cyclops get on the stage. Cyclops, truth or dare?
Okay.
Let him get on the stage. I got an idea.
Cyclone,
please get off the stage right now. Boo! Cyclone, get off the stage. Get off. Okay. There you go.
Okay, bye.
See you later. Bye-bye.
I'll just be over here.
Don't worry, buddy.
Don't
Boo! Cyclops, truth or dare?
Wait, am I allowed to play now? Or am I allowed to play now? You guys... Okay,
yes, your doofus all step. Okay, all right. So what do we got?
Dad, dude, go. Give me that.
I dare you to scream. Wait, don't do it. Let me get prepared for this. Everyone watch this video.
Okay.
Headphone warning. Go ahead. Can we have like the quietest scream?
I can do a quiet scream.
Throw stuff at him! Ha! Take that!
Oh,
Take
wait,
that!
okay.
My turn!
Thank you. I like the... Ow! Okay, arrows! Oh.
I don't think I was throwing arrows at him. I was like trying to, I don't know, whatever. Use bricks! Oh my god, Musina's a savage. she got bricks. Yo, hashtag savage Musina, dude. Okay, let me get that. Yo, there we go. That's perfect. All right. Who asking me the question? Jeff, truth or dare, buddy? Truth or dare? What you got, man? Truth. Okay, well, is it true, Jeff, that your ancestors were cows?
Dun.
No! Jeff, is it the truth, man? You have to tell me. Yours were, though, roasted! Moo! What's up?
Psst. Dude, come to the right of the stage.
Where are you?
Come to the right.
I don't see you. Where you at?
Wait,
Hold on, I gotta go to the bathroom. What are you doing,
Moose, no, other side of the stage. Moose, over here. Psst. Hi. Ow!
Quick scope! I see a brick in your future. Oh, snap! Moosina's a savage. Yeah, you crazy, bro. Okay, all right. So it's my turn. Awesome. All right. Go ahead, sir. Ask me a question. Thick boy. You ask. Okay, brick boss. Go ahead, man. Go ahead. Truth or dare. Truth or dare. Dare. What you got? What you got for me? What you got?
No. Jeff,
get right,
please,
no. Get right.
No!
Hey, Moosina, can you not throw a brick at me, please? Drop down and give me 30. Okay, I'm ready for this. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Ah! This is painful. This is very painful. Oh. Does that count? Is that
Moose versus exercise.
It was fire.
No,
Jeff, you're kind of lame. Yeah, you were kind of lame. Yeah, that's pretty lame. Boo! Get off the stage. Boo! Catch a brick. Boo! Ah, snap! Never mind. Sorry. In the face. Awesome. All right, so it's time for Moosina. Moosina, you got to go up on the stage now. Thick boy, your turn. Oh, you know what? Okay, fine. It's time for Thick boy. Yo, Brick Boss, go ahead, buddy. Get on the stage. All right. So, Jeff, you ask him the question. Moosina asks Thick boy. Okay, that's fine with me. That's fine with me, too. What do you got? What's up? Where'd you go?
No.
Up, and there goes Cyclone once again. Okay, all right.
Save me, I'm on fire.
Are you really thick, kid? Oh, I mean,
wow.
Is that how Truth or Dare works?
Is that really a question?
Is that a question?
I mean, you can
yes.
You
didn't even ask me the Truth or Dare.
Moosina,
you have to say Truth or Dare. Listen, she's new to the place, okay? Hey, don't say she's failing, all right? F for the day.
You're failing, dude.
Yeah, you're failing. I just wanted to know first. Yeah, she just asked me a question, Jeff. You eat a brick. There you go. Take that.
I'll eat one.
Don't protect your girlfriend. She's not my girlfriend, bro. Truth or Dare.
Okay, Jeff, you started a fire. Jeff, you started a fire.
Oh, no, hold on. Everybody, time out. Oh, the daycare's on fire. Again. Oh.
But once it wasn't me.
Wow.
Okay, we good?
For once, it actually wasn't Cyclone. That's impressive.
All
right, go ahead, Moosina. Truth or Dare. What are the Brick Boss chiefs? What Brick Boss choose again? I used to be a fireman, Jeff. You were a lot of things. Dare! Oh! I dare you to burn your bank account. That's a bad idea. Oh no! Wait a minute, Jeff. Why are you defending him? Is there something? I need the money, Jeff. He funds my life. I knew it. I knew you had someone else. I knew it. Jeff exposed. Hashtag Jeff exposed. I'm gonna tell everybody. Dude, I knew that Brick Boss is funding the lab.
Get the truth out.
He's the only one that makes billions. Like Bill Gates, but his name is Brick Boss.
Brick Boss.
I love Brick Boss. He's the best. I think I fixed the lab every episode. Brick Boss, is it true? Do you fund his lab? Magic.
I thought it was magic.
That could be
honestly.
it. Yeah, honestly, that could also work too. It's Minecraft.
I mean, I don't know how the world works. I'm just doing Daycare.
Brick Boss, it's okay to say yes, buddy. It's all right. I'll give you Moose Book. Answer wrong. Don't say nothing. Brick Boss.
I'm starting a Minecraft
It's a yes or no question. And you eat this brick. Oh! Yo, she crazy, bro. Well, it'll make you lose a thick belt. What do you mean thick belt? Is that a thing? Oh my god, he's actually wearing a thick belt. Oh yeah, I never think about that. It's legit. Okay, come on, Brick Boss. Yes or no? Do you fund Jeff's laboratory? Admit it. If he loses the belt, then what? Huh? He'll be so thick. What do you mean he's gonna be so thick that he'll explode? Brick Boss can't explode. That belt is holding it back. It's all right, Brick Boss. Maybe another day you can answer that question. Where does Cyclone at?
No, I'm just don't worry about it.
Moosina, your turn. Awesome. Go ahead, Moosina. You got it. Yeah, she's cool. All right, awesome. Moose, what? Ask your girlfriend. She's not my girlfriend. Gosh.
Wow.
The question. Okay, fine. All right, Moosina, truth or dare? Truth or dare? Okay. Dare. Oh, I dare you to eat Cyclone alive.
Yeah, but, you don't know where I am though.
Cyclone. Oh.
Ha!
Oh, stop! Yo, Moosina's about to eat you. You better run, bro. You better run. I am ready for this. Oh, snap. Yo, she's savage, bro. Hashtag savage Musina. Oh, and there. Eat him.
Gotta go.
Cannibalism. In Minecraft Daycare. Okay, so anyways.
Okay.
No.
Moose,
Oh, what's up, buddy?
Moose. Wait,
Yeah, there's no saving you
hacks.
for anything, dude. I'll save you for dessert, though.
What does saving mean?
Ah! What is this over here? What's this? Oh, hi, Cyclone. Wait, Cyclone, where'd you go? Cyclops, you're not going anywhere anymore, buddy.
Cube, please, it's dark in here, dude. I don't like
What?
it.
Bedrock cube? There's nothing here.
Jeff trapped me in a bedrock cube.
Where?
Yeah, I was lying. I was gone.
Come back here. Come back here. You're going crazy.
Hey,
no,
hey,
my
stop.
turn.
Hey,
My turn.
Stop. No.
All right, so Jeff, what is it, buddy? What is it gonna be? Ignore Cyclops. He's a noob anyways. Yeah, man, he's a noob. Whatever, bro.
Wow, Moose. I thought we were friends,
Dare.
dude.
Wait, I didn't even ask truth or dare. Wait, whatever, Jeff's a savage. Who cares? All right, Jeff, I dare you to blow up your own daycare. That's right. Okay. Wait, why? Just like that, you're gonna be fine with it? You're gonna be completely. Oh, Jeff, I was kidding. I was just messing around, buddy. You don't have to do it, man. Jeff, it's gonna be all right. Jeff, not the stage. Do not blow up the stage, Jeff. Don't look at me with those crazy Lucy eyes.
Self-speaking Jeff.
I still got my bro Thick Bus funding me, so it's cool. Jeff, not the stage. Anything else is fine. We paid like $2 for the stage. If you want, we can make it do. We can do a new dare. Jeff, the dare is to blow up your laboratory, but not the stage. Don't look at me with those crazy eyes. He wasn't kidding. Oh, wow, he actually wasn't kidding. And it's gone. Wow. It's all right, Moosey, don't worry. Wow, I thought he was gonna, like I said, Thick Boy got a lot of money. Okay. Young Moolah, yes! Awesome. All right. So anyways, who's up next then? Who's up next? Good job. You won. Congratulations, Debbie. Congratulations. You blew up your own laboratory. You're just spending money away. Okay. Awesome. Can I go up next? I want to be up next, dude. I want to be up next. Now you have to pay for it. Yeah, Brick Boss, I kind of feel bad for you, bro. Yeah. This won't cost that much. Yeah, probably not. All right. What do you got, Cyclone? Where are you? Oh, hi. What's up, buddy?
I've been playing
Your
Minecraft
girlfriend can
survival,
ask you the question, Moose. All right, fine.
No.
All right, go ahead, Moosina. Truth or dare? Just you know the drill. Go ahead. Go ahead. Come on. Truth or dare?
Yeah, Moose, I have a truth. Are you dating Moosina?
Nope, I'm not dating Moosina. Nope, get out.
Okay, since that was a lie, you have to do a dare then. You just lied.
That was true.
No, that was a lie. Okay, so
is that a lie? How are we dating? We're not even dating.
No, Moose, as your dad, I dare you to kiss Moosina.
No, what?
Dude,
no.
It's a dare. You've got to do it,
I can't
bro.
do that. Huh? No, we're not
dare,
doing this.
dude.
No, we're not doing this. Here, I got you.
It's a dare. You've got to do it. No,
the Moose book.
That was nothing. Dude,
that's not. No, we ain't doing this. Kiss this brick.
Yeah, come on. Wow, you'd sooner kiss a brick than you'd
Whoa,
kiss Moosina.
Brick Boss, high five. This is lame, bro. Okay, come on.
I would rather kiss a brick than you. How does that make you feel?
Breakfast. I got that in the trash.
Oh, wow. Moose, please, dude. Take the helmet of destiny, bro. Oh no. The helmet's gone.
Okay, I'm good. Don't worry. I'm good. I'm fine. I'm completely fine. This just gets better and better.
Moose, follow me, dude. We have to escape. Just listen.
On the count of 3, I'm gonna run. I'm pretty embarrassed, and she keeps looking at me, and I am not dating her, so we're gonna run away. She keeps looking at me, bro.
Wait, you're really not dating, bro?
No, we're not dating, bro. Just making it awkward, man.
I thought it was all. Oh, wait.
I'm not finished with my dare either. Oh, now she's all sassy, you know. Okay. All right, Moosina. What was the dare? Go ahead. What was the dare? Huh? What was it? This is gonna get awkward, isn't it? Brick Boss, you look amazing, buddy. You go, bruh. Brick Boss, give me a high five. Yeah, awesome. There we go. Wait, what you guys are Cyclone? Hi, Cyclone.
Hi.
Hi.
Wow! Thank you! Okay, whatever.
Brick Boss,
I'm the one with
you
the
say
sword,
it.
and
Wait,
you have
Brick
a
Boss,
sword.
it's your time to dare me. You gotta give me a dare, buddy. Go ahead. Oh, Brick Boss is on fire. It's okay. Brick Boss is super thick. Hey, can you not? Can you not be?
No.
Can you not?
No. Moose, please, how are you so good at PvP? Okay,
Dude, come on. Bro, I'm the Belarus champion. You forgot?
Whatever.
Here you go. Brick Boss. Okay, everyone. Daycare is over. Wait. Brick Boss. What's the dare, buddy? What is the dare? You gotta give me the dare, man. You can't leave me hanging. I dare you to kiss my. No, I'm running away. I'm done with you guys. No, I am not kissing nobody, bro. No. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all tomorrow with a brand new video. Subscribe and slap the bell. Bye.
No.
Bye. Stop it, leave me alone.